Okay, so let's start making a topology initially. Let's take a desktop, a laptop, and a server. And let's connect them together using so I'm selecting the model called 2960. I'm connecting the cables across them. Alright, I've done my cabling part now. Now let's give a static IP address to the desktop. Alright, I'm giving 192.168.33.11 to the desktop. So this laptop will be our DHCP client. That means it has to get an automatic IP address from the DHCP server. So this is our DHCP server. Alright, so now I am manually giving an IP address for my desktop. That is, I'm selecting the option static, then I'm giving 192.168.33.11 and the subnet mask. Okay, let me verify it with ipconfig on the command prompt. Yes, that's displaying the right IP address. Alright, for my laptop, the DHCP client, that should be on DHCP. So it's trying to get an IP address from the DHCP server. You can see that that's failed now because our DHCP server is not ready yet. So now I'm going to give a static IP address for my DHCP server, that is 192.168.33.1, and my subnet mask 255.255.0. I'm giving ipconfig. Yes, it's displaying the right IP address. Alright, now I am going to enable the DHCP service. So I am clicking on service, then go to DHCP. Make sure the service on and you can see the pool. So the starting IP address, it's already there. So it's showing like there's a pool already exists. So I'm just renaming, I'm just giving one more one to it. I add it, so our pool is ready now. So let me cross check if it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. The service is on, it's good. Going back to the laptop, IP configuration, DHCP, you can see that the IP address is already there. Let's cross check it. So it's trying to get an IP address now. Yes, it's successful. It received an IP from the DHCP server. Now I am typing ipconfig. Yes, it has an IP address. Now let me try to ping to the desktop. Yes, I am getting the replies. So that means my laptop is able to communicate to the desktop. Alright, now yes, it's communicating to the server. It's getting a ping response. Now I establish a command ipconfig /all. So it's displaying the IP address, and under the DHCP server it is showing our server's IP address, that is 192.168.33.1. I'm going back to the PC and I'm establishing the same command ipconfig /all. Yes, it's displaying the IP address, and under the DHCP you can see that there is no IP address because the PC we gave a static IP address. So that's the reason it haven't displayed any DHCP server IP address. So it's all good now.